Do you need a quick way to share a visual and a thought? You should try something like this. Welcome to day 23 of content repurposing tutorials, where I'm sharing with you 30 days worth of time-saving content ideas for all of you busy creators out there. Today, I'm going to show you how to take a video from your phone, speed it up into a time lapse, and also share a message with a tweet graphic. So today we're going to start off in CapCut and we're going to start a new project. We're going to find a video that we want to use to speed up. I'm going to use this one right here and go ahead and press add. Now we see that this video is about 1 minute and 49 seconds. I don't need all of that time. So what I'm going to do is I am going to speed it up. So I'll press on the video, then I'll press speed. I'm going to go for normal and I'm going to probably speed it up about 2 times. Now it's still pretty long. I'm going to check how it looks to see if I like how it is sped up. It's not fast enough, so I'm going to press normal again, speed it up to about 5 times and see if I like the look. I don't want it to be too choppy or anything, so we'll just check it out here. That's not bad. So what I'm going to do, instead of speeding it up further, I'm just going to take as much of it as I want, which is about 7 seconds. So I have it at 7 seconds here. Click on it. I'm going to press this back arrow and press split. And I'm going to delete the rest of it because I don't need it. If I were to continue to speed it up, it would have made it look really choppy and almost stop motion like. No need for that. Now that I have my video, it's time for me to find my tweet. So I'm going to head right on over to X and find the tweet that I want to use. And here is my tweet here. What I'm going to do is just take a screenshot of this tweet right here and just crop out the rest of it and use that as a graphic and press done and save the photos, and then go back to CapCut and I can add that as an overlay. Add overlay, photos, find the photo and add it. And that is one way that I can add that particular photo on there. Now that we have that overlay on here, we can just extend it to meet the 7 seconds mark. You usually feel a little vibration to let you know that it snapped into the right place, so it's not going to overextend it. Other things that we can do with this particular tweet is we can tap on it and reduce the opacity by sliding over just to make it just a little bit transparent, to see a little bit more of me in the back, but you don't want to make it too much because it will make the whole thing disappear. So we have that there, and we can press the plus button. Now all we have to do is press export, save to device, press done, and head on over to Instagram. Make sure we press the plus button and make sure we're in Reels. Now we can just use the video that we just made and go ahead and press next. Now we have a former video that we have with a tweet, and now it is a new piece of content. You press next to further customize it, and you have the opportunities to add music, add filters, add different stickers and things of that nature. So if you were to further customize this, I go ahead to music, find a nice sound that you want, or you can do a voiceover, things of that nature. You have options here. So in this video, we took an older video and turned it into a time lapse, and then we took a tweet from X and put it as an overlay over this video. This is a great way to show some behind the scenes footage of you, as well as a message that you want to share to your audience. Throughout this series, I also showed you a few different ways that you can add text or add graphics onto your video, so I'll make sure to link them in the cards above. This series is quickly coming to a close, but I would love for you to leave me a comment with some tutorials you'd like to see me do in the future.